It's Countdown to Christmas. Welcome to Help at Home, your resource for great recipes and easy learning. I'm Jim Hightower. Merry Christmas Eve. You don't have much time, so no new recipes today. But just like I made a playlist of all my favorites for Thanksgiving, I'm going to make one for all my Christmas recipes. So remember, all those descriptions have the ingredients and then the video you can watch, and just we'll do it together and everybody can make whatever they want. For example, we haven't done anything with pie dough lately, but I had some in the freezer, took it out, put it in the refrigerator last night to soften up. I want to make a pie crust. I'm going to grab a can of standby pumpkin straight from the dollar store, and I'm going to make my brother-in-law a pumpkin pie. And then I have a turkey in the oven. I'm going to make fried turkey, and I'm going to see what all else I can get through. We've made the olive nut spread. We've made the dill dip. We've made a cheese ball. And my wife is over at my mother-in-law's now, and they're making cookies and all kinds of things. So make what you want, use what you can, and share with everybody. Have a great holiday, and check out the favorites playlist at the end of this video. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I'll see you in January.